Hey guys, it's Jenny. I just want to show you what just arrived in the mail and help you understand what's in this. So, this is our Purium transformation pack for the month, and we get this every month to use as part of our diet and part of our foundational food system. So first thing you'll see here is a big, huge explanation of what's in here, right? So we'll go through this in the box in just a second. But it's pretty cool. You can put this on your fridge and you just don't have any questions then. You just know what to do. On the back, you have a schedule and all of this information you can click on with your QR codes. And here you have your goals and how you're feeling and keeping track of your wellness plan. Awesome, just comes right in the box. Secondly, lots of Schwag, of course, lots of information, more QR codes, inspiration, blogs, that kind of thing. Now, to the real good stuff. We get Power Shake. So Power Shake is your basic meal replacement. It's full of all sorts of greens and plants and fruits and nuts and seeds. They're going to help you have that really long, sustainable energy throughout the day while also healing your gut, which gut health is huge right now, right? Immune system lives in the gut, so get this in your body. So we get a lot of this. 2, 3, and we even get one of these days, which is a nice silicone package that you can wrap it up so you can take it with you anywhere you want to go. Cool. You get a shaker, shake it up. Next thing we get are Super Aminos. You get 2 of these bad boys. So Super Aminos, clean vegan protein. These guys rock. They do not enter the digestive tract, so you absorb your amino acids directly into your lymph system, which means you get your protein within 20 minutes. And it does not compromise your gut health at all. Super absorbable, super bioavailable, and great for building muscles and really nice skin if you're interested about skin. So awesome. Great for before and after workout. What else? Biomedic. Biomedic is a gut detoxifier for gut support that helps to remove glyphosate, aka Roundup, from your gut. So Roundup's in all of our food, it's in the air supply, it's in the tap water, it's even in mother's breast milk. So we're getting it in our body whether we want to or not. And this stuff kills our good gut bacteria. So we want to get it out. And within 6 weeks you can detox 75% of your glyphosate with taking Biomedic. And when you do that, you also get rid of your C-reactive protein, which is the inflammation marker in your body. So all chronic illness starts with inflammation. If you want to get inflammation out, take this daily. Easy. Thirdly, or fourthly, Apothecary. You get 2 of these bad boys. Apothecary is a superfruit. It's concentrated. It's about 7,000 ORAC units in 1 serving, which is huge, considering that blueberries are about 600. So antioxidants go around your body and mop up these free radicals that cause damage to DNA and your cells. So it's incredibly strong for anti-aging and also muscle support, joint support, and also sleep. This guy has a natural dose of melatonin, so take it a little bit before bed and you'll sleep like a baby. What else? Green Foods Bible, written by David Sandoval, one of the best books I've ever read about whole food nutrition and the power of green plants. Has tons of studies about glyphosate and tons of studies about how plants heal cancer, autism, all kinds of things. Okay, check it out. Last but not least, Super Cleanse R, which is your Parasite Cleanse. So those little bad boys get into your gut, your liver, all over your body, and they always eat first. So if you're lacking in vitamins and minerals, these guys are maybe why. Because whatever food you put in, they eat first, and then your body can absorb the rest. So we need to get them out. And with this protocol, you can watch one of my earlier videos about how to do that. So this is your transformation kit. Oh yeah, and you get a tape measure, so you can watch all your pounds drift away. So that's it. If you feel like getting this on your docket, just go ahead and check in my bio and you'll see where you can get it for a discount. Lots of love, everyone. Bye-bye.